morning! If you made it this far, it means that we got into the early admission on the Hagrid's. We're in the queue. And I'm out of breath. Here we go again. I started the day with Hagrid's today. But then, we're having a coffee. I really need like a big, giant, venti cup of coffee.
Did you know when we entered Hagrid, it was only 35 minutes, you know, 119 to 17. It's so cool.
You know, yeah, we just saw 35, which is unbelievable, too much. I'm hoping it's going to be a walk-on, but let's see. It is 7:57 right now.
This will include bags, backpacks.
Look at that, guys. I'm thinking it's a walk-on. Let's see. Yesterday we queued up here for a very long time. So 4 minutes and we're here, we're about to get on the ride. 4 minutes. It's definitely not 35. Yeah, here we go. 8:09 and we're off the ride. We made it, it was so good. First row for me and Lydia. How was it?
So good.
On to a Velocicoaster now, which is only 10 minutes wait. And meanwhile, look at that queue as I'm walking out of Hagrid's. That is insane. It says it's 50 minutes. Yeah, so it's getting close to an hour away. The people are queuing outside. And we're going to do a Velocicoaster and then go have breakfast. Let's go! I love Mondays! Do you guys love Mondays?
Monday's good now.
Monday's good now. So amazing. Here she is waiting for me. My favorite ride. Although I love it so much, I still can't let go of my hands. I can only about make a first launch without hands. And that's about it. Oh, it's like empty. Woo! 10 minutes wait. Let's go do it. 20 now. We're on and off Velocicoaster in 10 minutes. And it's not even 9 a.m. and we have done Hagrid's and Velocicoaster. Let's go have breakfast now. So it's just before 9 and this is the first time I see the queue. I think people who don't have an early admission, they're just waiting over there. This is the first time I see it. All right, then we are going to Starbucks. Okay, so for breakfast I got the iced Americano. I wanted just a splash of milk, but somehow it turned out white. That's okay. And I got bacon Gouda sandwich. Lydia got chocolate croissant. And Savo got a wrap that he doesn't know what's the name of it. It looks like a kebab. Enjoy. It's round number 2 for River Adventure because we didn't get soaked this time, so we're taking our chances this time. We have to try again because we're wearing our sneakers. Yes?
Yes.
Round 2. The second time wasn't as good. We were in the wrong row 2. Look at our faces and our hair. Soaked face. I mean, everything else is dry.
Mine no soaked face.
She's dry, but my hair, my face and sunglasses are completely soaked. So second row is the wettest. The back row is the driest for us. That is so fun! Let's go up there. This is exit, yeah. Camp Jurassic is a fun place to explore. I think even if you don't have a kid, you should really come here and have a look around. It's quite a cool spot. You can see Velocicoaster from here. I can see Corn right there. And you can see Hogwarts Castle from here as well. Pretty nice. What can you see from here? It's a water war right now. Go, Lydia! Go! Here she goes. Get them, get them! Where is she? Ah! Ah! Get them, get them! Ah! Get them! We just did a nice splashing session in Camp Jurassic. Heading out, we need to get some drinks now. It's getting very hot. Let's go refill our cup, get something to drink. Is my camera dirty? I think it is dirty. Let me wipe it.
Papa had a pet tattoo. I want to have a pet tattoo like Papa. Sounds so sweet. You're so fast.
Happens to be, by general consensus, the definitive one on Hogwarts.
Also, to be dead boring, as is Professor Ben's very boring. How exceptional this? It's ghost. Fell asleep in front of the classroom fire. Woke up the next day to teach and left his body behind.
Still very sound on history, though.
And an added bonus, you can enter the classroom through the back door. Anyway, we thought you might rather watch the game of Quidditch than listen to Ben's, but we'll have to sneak you out of the class and down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that is to fly you there.
All you have to do is follow me to the room of requirement, and I'll manage it from there. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic.
So we're just thinking of a place where we can have lunch. We looked at the Circus Magiricus menu. It didn't look that good. Moving on, I think we will have a look at Confisco Grill. We have never been there. So, time to have a look. Right now there is no sunshine, it's actually overcast. And it's so pleasant. But we are very tired from this morning, so we might leave the park soon. If you ever try Confisco Grill, let us know. Was the food good? We're gonna check the menu now and see if we can have lunch here. Here's the menu. Okay, so we decided to have lunch here, and this is our first time. That looks kind of cool. I hope the food is good as well. Alright, so the place looks nice. The menu looks nice. I hope it tastes good as well. Right? So I decided to go for chicken quesadilla and a beer. And a nice relaxing sit down meal. Someone's having another margarita. That's your like 5th margarita of the holiday. No? Not enough? So the food just came. That's my quesadilla right here. Alright, quesadilla looking good. That's a starter apparently. Lydia's pasta is just like homemade. That's what you will get home. She can eat. Zavo. Look at the size of the burger. And the fork on the cup. Okay, so we're done with our lunch in Confisco Grill. Overall, not impressed. Right? No. Not impressed. So I don't think we'll come back. I had a very good kebab in Islands of Adventure, which was much more delicious than this Confisco Grill. So I would say if you want, you can go try it, but that's not the best thing you can eat in Islands of Adventure.
Maybe someone else is gonna order something better.
Yeah,
You
maybe.
know, the burger and
No, if you had good food there, let us know. But we didn't really enjoy. We're not coming back. But it was good to try. So right now we decided to try and take water taxi to Sapphire Falls. Apparently it's walking distance from Cabana Bay where we're staying now. We had never taken a water taxi in Universal, so that's a new experience for us. Actually looking forward to it. But hopefully we'll find a way from Sapphire Falls to Cabana Bay easily and don't get lost. What's your step, please, yeah? Let's go sit at the back. Want to sit here? Sit down. Can I sit here? Are we going to be all together? Alright, so we just come out of Sapphire Falls and we're taking this path to Cabana Bay. Apparently we turn right before the traffic lights and then take a little bridge. I don't see it, but we might see it in a minute. And then we get to Cabana Bay. That's quite an easy, pleasant walk. There you go. If you guys want to try taking a water taxi, you take it to Sapphire Falls and then you walk to Cabana Bay, which is going to take us probably 5 minutes walk here. So this is the bridge. We're going to get up there and cross the big roads. Apparently there's no safe way of crossing roads here other than the bridge. That is a pleasant walk. I like that it's all green. Whereas in fact we are just above the big road, but you cannot see it from the walk. Hello! We just made to the mall at Millenia.
Hello.
Why? What are we shopping for? Nothing really.
Nothing.
We're just browsing. Shall we go to Neiman Marcus? Because I'm not going to Barbary this trip, that's sure. I'm maybe Prada, but maybe not this trip, no.
Maybe.
A little bit of Gucci.
Could be. Maybe Armani.
Yeah, maybe like in a couple of years. But Neiman Marcus, we can check that. Let's go. This mall looks huge and quite fancy, to be honest. Comparing to the outlets, this is some... Oh, look, we actually passed a lot of shops already. I feel like we need to find a map and see what's going on.